The government, we think it's right to bring to the attention of all Nigerians and, in fact, international communities as well, of the ugly incidences that are about to take place. In some cases, they're already on. Thugs, I don't know which party they belong to, have taken over some of the Inec offices across some of the LGAs, especially Oredo, Isaka West, Isan West, some of the very serious LGAs. And we just want to bring to your attention the world that this kind of activity is not acceptable. But just before I stepped in here a few minutes ago, we were told that the soldiers have repelled these thugs from the Oredo Secretariat and made them go across the road. And now there's a border. There's a border around the Collation Center. We want to encourage the soldiers to please go across the government headquarters and take possession of these collation centers. The information we are hearing is that they plan to attack these collation centers, especially in strongholds like Oredo, Bobaka, but like you see, I'm smiling because I'm happy with what the soldiers are doing, and they are showing character and discipline and telling people that they should not be intimidated by what is going on. So we also want to encourage our people, all Edo people, to come out and vote, and they cannot be intimidated, they cannot be stopped.
At the moment, in Oredo local government Inec office, there was an attempt by some thugs to overrun the place, but we understand now that they have been pushed back by special forces and the military. So, but we will continue to call you and tell you when things happen. We want to also have you guys help us serve as source of intelligence and information to the people so that people know how to stay safe and how to stay protected. All is well. The city is calm. The people should be ready tomorrow to come out and exercise their franchise and vote for whoever they want to choose as their governor for the next 4 years. They should not be intimidated. They should not feel frightened. The military people will be all over the place protecting them, and everybody should just come out and exercise their franchise.